Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel Boateng. Today we are going to learn to develop our accuracy. Are you a beginner guitarist? If you are a beginner guitarist, today's lesson it includes two kids. I have two children who have been brought to me for me to teach them. So I'm taking this opportunity to invite each and every one of you. If you have a kid at home and you want the child to learn guitar, you can bring the child to me. I will teach him or her. Okay, I have two kids. One is my child and one is a child of a friend. And he has brought his boy from way back from the northern region for me to teach him the guitar. So today I'm going to train them on their accuracy. Today is their second day on the guitar. So I'm going to train them on their accuracy. So if you are watching me now and you have not subscribed to my channel, hit on the subscribe button and then check the notification so that you'll be updated anytime I upload a video. In fact, don't miss any lesson from this channel. I am inviting all children. This video is specifically for children who wants to learn guitar. I'm inviting all of you. If you are a parent and you want your ward to learn guitar, this is the time for you. My number is on the screen. You can call me so that we talk about it. Call me so that we discuss how you can go about it. Let's begin today's lesson. All right, so this is the child. His name is Pandit Ado Kumati, right? His father brought him way back from the northern region to come and learn guitar. And today is his second day, so I'm going to assess him and develop his accuracy on what I taught him yesterday. So if you are a beginner like this child, let's do the practice together. I'm going to time them. There are two. This guy will play 4 minutes. The other guy will come and play 4 minutes. So I'm going to time them and then see how best they can play their guitar, how accurate they are on what I taught them yesterday. So let's begin. Okay, so I'm going to time him. Yesterday we did 70 beats per minute, and today we are going to do 75 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, go! All right, this is the second boy. This boy is my child. He's my boy. And I'm developing his accuracy too on the guitar. So he has been with me, but today I'm going to test his accuracy on the guitar. So let's begin. So you have seen what they have done or what they did. I can see that their retention is about 2 minutes each. Yeah, they were able to play accurately in 2 minutes. So I am still developing them bit by bit. By, let's see, 3 or 4 days time, they might be able to play about 4 minutes accurately. And when they are able to play about 3 or 4 minutes accurately, then we can adjust the tempo. So what are you waiting for? If you have not subscribed to my channel, hit on the subscribe button. This video is for kids. I am inviting every child who has interest in learning Highlife guitar. In fact, Highlife is not only for the adults. Children also play guitar. So start from now. If you are a child, if you are a parent, let your ward start learning the guitar from now. Don't think about the distance, because Pandit was brought from the northern region. I am in the Ashanti region. His father brought him from the northern region, and I'm teaching him, and the child is very, very, very smart. Today is his second day on the guitar, and you have witnessed what he can do. So what are you still waiting for? I am here to assist you. Subscribe to my channel. Let me see your comment. My number is on the screen. If you have a child at home who you want him or her to learn the guitar, you can call me so that we can discuss how best you can help the child. In fact, this is a Highlife Guitar Academy. It has started, so take this opportunity. On this note, we end here with today's lesson. We will come your way with another interesting lesson. Thank you.